We have currently 3 products out right now with opportunity for about 7 more. You're going to see a breaker, a core drill, and then a cutoff. We have a light, we have an inverter, and then you're actually going to see some different lines of about some different sewer equipment. I'll start with the breaker, just on some features and benefits of it. It can break about 2 tons of material. Really what you're going to see here is going to be the ease of use piece. So obviously if everyone's used a breaker in the past, really just felt like Rocky just went 15 rounds with you, and you know, might as well book a vacation day for the next day because you're really going to be beat up and sore. You know, the vibration, how we really tone that down is really a compliment to that breaker.
Breakers you guys have to get this bit out, so let's just say you start in the middle and that bit gets stuck and you can't get it out. Usually the ones that you have, and it's driven all the way down, you have to like open this thing all the way up to get the bit out, and usually you have to get another breaker to get it out. What's nice is ours, you only have to have halfway and you can actually pull that bit out and back in. So if you do, all you need is another bit with you and you can break that bit free. How this is going to work is you're going to get 5 3-inch holes through 6-inch like wall concrete with a compact, and you're going to get 9 through double block with a compact, and then you just basically double it for your XC battery. So instead of 5 you get 10, instead of 9 you get 18. So that's how many holes you get with a 3-inch core bit. Now you can go all the way up to 6-inch. So they have a dial here, 1 to 3, 3 to 6, depending on what core drill you're using. It's just going to change the RPM on here. When you do turn it on, push and hold for 3 seconds. It turns on. It shows you how much battery life you have left. It'll show you to the levelness on here. I don't know if you can see this thing moving around.
Yeah.
And then the white's the one that's going to be the most level. And then here's your performance. Again, you want to be in that sweet spot. This very top little one, if it starts flashing, it means that you're pushing down too hard. Continue to like let go of it a little bit and let the core drill do the work. Also has a quick connect on the bottom here for, you know, most people doing wet core, and then you can turn on and off the water at the touch of your finger.
So with this, you're getting about a 14-inch run and 5-inch concrete, about 22 cinder blocks, and then finally about 56 feet in corrugated steel. I mean, another thing when it comes down to it, and just put an example on a job site, the last thing you want to do is cutting material outside and then hauling it back in. I mean, that's historically what everyone's done with a gas saw, instead of just going out and cutting and being done with it. You know, we understand that this isn't going to replace a huge full line of cutting. I mean, that's gas all day, every day. But when it comes to cutting inside, getting rid of the emissions, and actually, you know, really owning that service piece, this is where this saw is going to win.